Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a colorful fall card using one of the newest layering stencil sets with a little ink blending and heat embossing, so let's get started. I'm using the Fall Foliage Frame stamp set and coordinating layering stencil set. I start by placing a stencil over a square panel of white cardstock and temporarily taping it in place. Then I use small blending brushes to apply Abandoned Coral Distress Oxide ink over the first flower layer of the stencil. These little blending brushes are perfect for the small openings in the stencil. When I finish, I remove the stencil layer and then use the etchings on the next layer to line it up over the blended flowers and press it into the tape to hold it in place. Each layer is etched into the stencil to make it easy to line up the design. I blend Seedless Preserve's Distress Oxide ink over the second flower layer and then use dried marigold and scattered straw for the two leaf layers. Once I finish blending, I let the panel dry while I work on the rest of the card. While the frame is drying, I stamp a sentiment from fall onto black cardstock and heat emboss it with brass embossing powder. I also die cut the fall word with gold glitter and black cardstock and adhere them together to match the rest of my sentiment. Once the oxide ink is dry, I line up the frame stamp over the stencil panel using my MISTI and heat emboss it with brass embossing powder. Then I die cut it with the coordinating Fall Foliage Frame honey cuts. And of course, I always have to do a little ink blending. So I blend Abandoned Coral, dried marigold, and scattered straw Distress Oxide ink onto a panel of Strathmore Bristol smooth cardstock and trim it down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then I adhere it to an A2 card base. To finish the card, I adhere the frame over the ink-blended panel and add the sentiment with foam mounting tape for a little extra dimension. I love how easy it is to color the frame with the layering stencils, though it's also a lovely image all on its own, either stamped or heat embossed. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!